everyone, this is Callista.
And I'm Stephanie, and we're from WonderFil Specialty Threads. Callista and I just got back from Grand Rapids last week where we had a really exciting announcement to make.
Yeah, we were at AQS Quilt Week and we just shared that we're doing a creativity challenge with AQS, and it's called the My Dream You Fill in the Blank Cabana Challenge. So what's really exciting about this challenge is you can get this kit. What it is a wool pre-cut block in the shape of a little cabana, and you get to decorate it however you like. So whether that's a fishing cabana or a cabana on a beach or even
Christmas cabana
under the ocean. Yeah, if you want Christmas 365 days of the year, whatever it may be, it's up to your own creativity to decide what kind of dream cabana you want to create. And the reason why you want to participate in this challenge is because
all the blocks that are submitted will be juried and have the opportunity to be featured in all 5 AQS shows in 2025. And
that's a huge deal.
A huge deal. And there's going to be an exhibition and also opportunity for Viewers' Choice Awards, and that'll also be available at all 5 shows.
So the Viewers' Choice is not just the total of all 5 shows. It's at each and every show we're going to have a Viewers' Choice winner. And what is that winner going to receive?
Dun, dun, dun. This is our 96 ball collection of eleganza thread in solid colors. So as you can see here, this has all the colors you can imagine that you need to do all your future stitching with. And like Callista said, this prize will be up for grabs at all 5 shows.
So now we know you're dying to participate in this challenge. So how can you do that? Where do you get the kits and everything? And what are the rules of the challenge? So let's go over what the rules of the challenge are first.
All submissions need to be 7 by 7 inches finished, both backed and binded, so that AQS can hang them up properly in the exhibition. And to bring your vision to life, you can use any technique embellishment that inspires your embroidery, applique, beading, painting, or anything else that your heart desires.
So you can mix and match different kits if you buy more than one, but the rule is that you just have to use the provided background fabric and the cabana and the applique threads included to applique the little cabana down to the background piece. But if you have like the blue background and the yellow house and you wanted to mix those together and you had both kits, you are welcome to do that. As well, if you want to add any additional wool fabric or cotton fabric or
ribbons or beads,
exactly, any of those, you're welcome to add that to your little cabana design as well.
So the entries for the submission must be between December 1st and December 19th of 2024, and the submissions must include high quality photos of your little quilt, as well as a brief description of your design and the inspiration behind your dream cabana. So you will receive acceptance and shipping notice of your little cabana by January 9th and know the results of the juried project. All accepted entries must be shipped to AQS by January 23rd, 2025, and you need to make sure that your quilt is securely packaged for shipping. Your quilts will need to be available from January 9th, 2025 through October 24th, 2025, and will travel to all 2025 AQS Quilt Week shows. Return shipping instructions will be available upon acceptance of the quilts, and they will be returned to you next year, October 24th, 2025.
So to get your kit of the My Dream Fill in the Blank Cabana, you can go to AmericanQuilter.com and you'll see the 3 colorways available there for purchase. And if you are a member of AQS, you'll be able to receive a small discount on the kit. So the kit only includes the applique thread. So if you're wondering what type of thread to use on your project, you can use any of our WonderFil threads because we are accepting any submissions, whether you stitch this by hand or by machine.
And that's super exciting. And from our end too, we've put together this special promotional bundle to help you get started on your dream cabana.
So this is the little kit that we've put together, and it's called Build Your Own Box. So we've altered it because usually this is only filled with our pearl cotton balls inside. But if you go to shopwonderfil.com, you'll be able to find this little package. And what it has inside is 6 eleganza balls, and whether they're variegated or solid, you can pick them yourself. They don't have to be these exact colors. You can choose what you would like. It would also include 2 types of needles. One is a chenille needle and one is like a milliner's needle. So you'll be able to do all sorts of decorative stitches with both these different sizes of needles. As well, there is 1 spool of our rayon thread called Razzle. It's an 8 weight, so it's going to add a really lovely sheen to any decorative stitches that you use with this thread. As well, there will be a dazzle spool as well that you can include in your kit. And again, you can choose colors for all these different types of threads inside. And then the best part is we've actually printed on our new product, the Rinse Away design sheet, a little stencil of the cabana, which is sized to be the exact same size as the little cabana that's included in the kit. And although we've already printed on this one and kind of done a little design already, the one you will receive will be blank. So that will give you the template for you to draw out maybe what your vision is, and you can stitch on top of this either by machine or hand, and it'll give you, it's just like a great way to plan out maybe how you want to do your cabana, and it's just a handy little notion that we've included inside for fun. So whether what you want to use this or not is up to you.
Yep, and then once you do your stitching, all you have to do is rinse it away and all your stitches will be right there.
Exactly.
So you can get this bundle on our website, which is shopwonderfil.com. And again, like what Calista said, this is really highly customizable, so you can choose all the threads that you need to build your dream cabana.
So I know me and Stephanie are probably going to do our own versions of this dream cabana too. So we're really excited to participate in this challenge, and we hope you guys are too.
Thank you for joining us, and we're so excited to see what dream cabanas that you guys will stitch out too.
Bye!
Bye!
Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips, tricks, and tutorials. You can also sign up for our weekly newsletter to get the first look at free projects, sewing tips, and inspiring tutorials delivered right to your inbox. Check out the description box below to sign up, as well as find a list of stores and retailers that you can purchase WonderFil threads from in your country.